So it's been 2 to 3 weeks since we moved to this apartment and we absolutely love it. And I forgot to film the intro, so this is sort of reversed. But I'm going to show you my moving experience. In New York City, we moved from studio apartment to 1 bedroom, and we hired Piece of Cake moving company. I think they're very popular, and we hired them and we really like them, and the price was reasonable, and I will show you how much we paid later. Let's get into the video. Today is a moving day. I hired Piece of Cake moving company to do all my packing, but I still did a lot of prep work, organizing everything, getting rid of everything that I don't need, so that the day of will be the easiest. I lived in studio, so I don't have that much stuff, but still there are good amount of items. And they are going to also pack my plant, and now there's a lot less items, but it took them almost 2 hours to pack everything. But it was so nice that they could do everything for me and I didn't have to pack. I mean, over the week I organized little by little, threw out a lot of things that I don't need, so prep work is great. Now we are getting lunch. This is our cafe near the new apartment, so we're very excited to see that they have bomb food. Now we're back to our new home. They dropped off everything, so now we need to unpack and organize things.
Oh my god, so much.
I really love this new place. It's much more spacious, and I love the sunshine and walk-in closet. Really excited, but we gotta unpack. Unpacking took way longer than I thought. It took longer than packing for sure. I tried to just put things away, not worry about organizing at first, but it still took a lot. And about the plant, not a lot of them because I don't even have a lot, but this one is definitely damaged and this one's dead for sure.
Let's go. Yay! Woo!
I think part of the reason why our move was cheaper is because it was a studio and we didn't take our mattress, because I think mattress is kind of hard to take. So we wanted to upgrade our bed. We always used, you know, that really popular brand, Casper. We were using Casper before, but my husband really wanted to upgrade to a king size bed. So we just ordered the bed to the apartment straight, so that we don't have to worry about moving that bed, because they're heavy and they come in really compact size. You will see in the video that it's like really flattened, so you have to open it up and it becomes really big. So that worked out for us. Ordering straight to the new house really worked out for us, so that we don't have to bring that. I think that's really heavy for the movers and it makes it tricky. And I end up giving my old bed to my friend's sister, so I think that really worked out. So I saw that there was a lot of questions about how much you should tip the mover. I think it depends on your experience. We had a really good experience with our movers. They were really nice, and it also depends on how many people. So there were 3 people, so I think we paid like $50 per each person, but it's really up to the service that you received. But when I Google researched, people said like 10% to 20%. So I don't know. I don't think there's hard and fast rule for this. So it's something whatever you feel comfortable with. Try to be generous if you can. That's all. That's what we can do. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Maybe next month I will do a little house tour. Let me know if you're interested in that. I had a lot of fun making this video, so I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next month. Bye!